Hey everybody, thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Simple Seafood Recipes. We hope you enjoyed this smoked salmon pasta salad. This is going out to a 4th of July barbecue this evening, so this works great for us. As you guys saw, this is easy, this is tasty, can't wait to devour it. But visit us online at wildalaskanseafoodbox.com. We're shipping boxes nationwide right now. Hope you guys are doing well. Subscribe to the button below. Watch all of our videos we got coming to you. Thanks, guys.